SAP system, it is always mandatory that you maintain the PIR. Okay, the purchase info record is mandatory. Okay, the purchase info record is mandatory in the case of consignment. Why it is mandatory in the case of consignment? Because we are talking about the price, right? Let me show you one real-time example to make this point more clear. Like for example, I am having this material. Okay, this is my material. Okay, like for example, this is one, I am taking this material as the example, right? This is my material. Now if I go to the ME51N, that is the create purchase requisition screen, and if I enter the material number here, and if I enter the subsequent quantity along with the plant and other details, here you can see that there is a tab called valuation tab, right? This valuation tab is there, right? আমরা এখানে একটা valuation এর tab পাচ্ছি, but whenever from this particular item category, right? Item category আমরা কি এতদিন আমরা কি নিয়ে কাজ করতাম? Till now we are working, we keep this item category as blank. Blank stands for the standard, okay? But today we are going to take this item category, this consignment item category, okay? Whenever I will choose this consignment item category, then subsequently you can see the behavior, the standard behavior of SAP, that this particular valuation tab will go, right? Just observe this thing. যেই আমি এটাকে দিলাম, দিয়ে আমি একবার এন্টার প্রেস করব, the system, what the system does, বুঝতে পারলে কি হলো জিনিসটা চন্দ্রা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, what did it do?
The valuation tab, valuation এর ট্যাবটা চলে গেল এখান থেকে, ঠিক আছে? Whenever I am doing it, till now I am doing the standard processes, right? In previous classes we have done the P2P cycle, right? In P2P cycle we generally keep the item category field as blank, right? The blank stands for the standard, okay? Now whenever I will choose this particular item category, consignment, the special procurement indicator, whenever I will choose this particular indicator and I will press enter, then subsequently you can see at the item level the valuation tab got vanished, right?
Why so?
The particular valuation tab got vanished, okay? And for this reason only this PIR is mandatory, because whenever we are doing the consignment process we will have to choose this indicator, this item category indicator as K, this consignment indicator. Whenever I will choose this, the valuation tab at the item level will get vanished, okay? So I will not get the provision for entering the price. Clear?
Okay.
এই জায়গাটা বুঝবে ভালো করে। I will not get the provision for entering the price,
Right.
and subsequently what will happen? The PR will be created, but the overall PR value will be 0. Subsequently when I will create the PO from this particular PR, as a result the PO will also be of 0 value, right? And subsequently when I will try to post that particular PO in the system will throw us a error. That error is called the consignment posted without value. This is a classical error whenever your price is not traveling, across the PR and PO. This is the classical error that we will get if our PO does not have any value. SAP does not allow to post a consignment PO of 0 value, right?
Okay.
Clear?
So we have to make the PIR.
Exactly, we have to make the PIR, because if we do not maintain the PIR, the purchase info record, then we will not get the provision of entering the price in between anywhere, right? In between we will not get the provision. For example, if I